In beginner CFOP, after you finish OLL, you do PLL, which stands for permute last layer. In the advanced method you memorize 21 algorithms for each possible case, but to make things easier there is a way to do it with only 6 algorithms. So first we will solve the corners. There are 2 possible cases for the corners, either with headlights or no headlights. Headlights are 2 solved corners adjacent to each other. This is not a headlight, this is a headlight. So if there are headlights, put the both on your left, and do this algorithm. Now your corners are solved. If there is no headlights, put an unsolved corner on your right, and do this algorithm. Now we have to solve the edges. If you have a solved bar like this, put it on your back. Look at the color facing you. Here it is blue. So if that color should go to the right, do this algorithm. If that color goes to the left, do this algorithm. If the colors need to be swapped with their opposite colors, do this algorithm. If the colors need to be swapped like this, do this algorithm. Congratulations! You now officially know to look PLL. Now watch this video.